Hello students, a very warm good morning to all of you. This is Karishma Srivastava from Dream India School Kurut. As in previous class, we have discussed this chapter Understanding Diversity, but we have discussed only half portion. Today we will continue the chapter and we will continue this chapter today. So let's begin. Diversity in India. India is a country of vast diversity. People speak different languages, celebrate different festivals, and eat various types of foods. Diversity is a reality created by individuals and groups from a broad spectrum of demographic and philosophical differences. Now, what are the factors that influence diversity? The factors that influence diversities are historical and geographical factors are the two factors that influence diversity of a region. Life of a people near the sea is different as from the people who lives in mountain areas. Like we will take an example like Ladakh. Ladakh is a land with awesome physical features and is set in enormous and spectacular environment. It is surrounded by the world's mightiest mountain ranges, the Karakoram in the north and the Great Himalayas in the south. Now Kerala. Kerala is located in the southwestern part of India. It is surrounded by sea on one side and hills on the other. As we see, the major differences of Ladakh and Kerala. Now we will understand what is unity in diversity. India is a land of different religions and communities. There is great diversity in our habitat and customs, and yet we all live together as Indians. Unity in diversity has been the distinctive features of our country. Everyone on earth differs from each other with respect to aspects like looks, behavior, cultures, religions, languages, talents, etc. etc. This means that there is diversity among people. In these aspects, diversity means the lack of uniformity and the sense of variety. Inequality comes about among people when they have different access to resources and opportunities. The caste system, religion, financial well being, education, etc. are various forms of inequalities in the society. India is a country of several diversities. Since it is very big country, people in different parts differ in their customs, languages, habitats, etc. These diversities arises from the fact that different regions have different histories and environments. Despite the diversities listed above, there are similarities that unite us. We all are Indians, and during the freedom struggle, the whole country came together to send away the British. Irrespective of their diverse backgrounds, the Indian national flag is the most important national symbol, and it reminds us our unity in diversity. Now, what is diversity? The definition of diversity says the sense of variety that exists in the traits, look, behavior, culture, religion, language, abilities, resources, and opportunities related to different people is said to be diversity. Now, definition of inequality: the differences between two or more people that arises between because of their abilities, resource and opportunities, or their caste, etc. are termed as inequalities. Now, what is the definition of habitat? The geographical area where a living being has adapted and lives comfortably is called the habitat of that living being. Now, what is the definition of resources? Resources says anything which satisfy our needs, like anything that can be of any use in any activity is said to be resources. Okay, students, that's it for today. The chapter Understanding Diversity is completed, and in previous class I have shared you question answer. Hope you all have written in your copy. Thank you. Watch video and understand it. Thank you and have a wonderful day.